Ethereum and Bitcoin are giants in the crypto world, but their roles and growth patterns set them apart. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, has a market cap of over $500 billion as of now and a historical annual growth rate averaging around 200%. Ethereum, however, has been growing even faster. Since its launch in 2015, its price has surged from $0.3 to over $1,600, representing over 530,000% growth compared to Bitcoin's 50,000% increase over the same period. Ethereum's utility as the backbone of decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs drives its adoption, with over 70% of DeFi projects running on its blockchain. On the other hand, Bitcoin's scarcity, capped at 21 million coins, solidifies its position as a store of value. Yet Ethereum's shift to proof of stake, reducing energy consumption by 99%, and upcoming scalability upgrades make it more appealing to developers and investors alike. The real question isn't just about value, it's about utility versus store of value dominance. While Bitcoin remains king, Ethereum's faster growth and broader use cases might just give it the edge in the future. However, overtaking Bitcoin isn't just about market cap, it's about capturing investor trust, long-term adoption, and maintaining innovation. For now, both cryptocurrencies dominate in their own lanes, and the future could see them coexisting as leaders in their respective domains. Will you bet on stability or innovation? The choice is yours.